Hey Jeremy, this is my challenge 3 answers. When the player can control the balloon, I added, one sec, where is it? This line of code so they could get the component rigid body, and that just allowed the player to control the balloon. The background only moves when the game is over. To fix that in my move left script, this was the entire line of code, and that's why it moved when the game was over. I just had to set it to false. When no objects are being spawned in Spawn Manager, I think there was a misspelling. They misspelled spawn objects, and I just had to spell that correctly. Fireworks appear on the side of the balloon. I just had to drag the firework explosion just to this one right here. I just had to drag it over to the balloon's location. The next one was the background is not repeating properly, and to fix that I had to, one second, 6, I have notes. Oh, in repeat background, this was set to Y, and I just had to change that to X. And then for the bonus challenge, where the balloon can float too high, I had to add in player controller, I added this so that if the position is greater than 10, it's not too low. If it is less than 10, it is too low. And so I put is low here. I also had to make a public bool to have is low in the first place. And so this way they can't press the space bar when it is too low. And then here I had to create an if statement. Most of it was already in my player controller from the last section. And I just had to have an impulse, so when it does touch the ground, it will bounce up. And then I had to add an audio to it. So this is my game in action. Still loading. There you go. So it bounces, makes the bounce sound, and then it spawns objects. I can float up like this. I can't float. Oh, I can't float too high, but it'll drag me back down. And yeah, that's my game. Thanks, Jeremy. How do we stop this?